Hey everybody, what's up? I'm Marcel here from Tyger Auto, and today we're going to show you guys how to install our T3 tri-folding tonneau cover system on a Chevy Silverado. Now in this video, we're going to show you guys some of the refinements and finer points that we've learned over the years to give you guys some tips and tricks to help you install this tonneau cover in record time. First, make sure that all the parts are accounted for according to the instruction manual. Then check to see if you need to apply the supplied weather strip by examining the front rail surface. If it's not flush with the side rails, apply the strips to fill the gap. Then lay down the cover with its buckles facing towards the front of the truck. Unbuckle and unfold the cover until it sits flat on the bed. Adjust the cover to make sure that it's evenly spaced on the front and the two sides. After you're done with that, fold back the cover so we can start applying the clamps. There are 3 pairs of clamps on this cover: the front clamps, the safety clamps, and the rear latches. Let's start with the front clamps closest to the cab. Pull down the clamp from the bottom of the cover into its vertical position. Then attach the clamp so its jaw is all the way against the bed rail lip. Go ahead and tighten the knob until the clamp is snug. If you have a Type A or B bed liner installed that covers any part of the bed rail lip, follow the instructions on how to cut a notch to allow the clamp to grip the metal surface. Moving on to the safety clamp. Same thing, hook the clamp on the lip and tighten it up. Now unfold the cover to access the rear latches. In order to get the tightest fit, listen carefully on how to apply the rear latches. First, pull down the latch from the bottom of the cover and lower the handle by rotating it. Then lift the handle and keep it above and beyond 90 degrees while adjusting the vertical position. The best position is where the groove of the jaw is level with the lip of the bed rail. Once you're happy with the position, use your free hand to press down on the bed cover and crank down the handle to lock it into position. If you feel the latch is still loose, lift the handle and readjust it to position to get a better fit. Close the tailgate carefully to check the fit. Don't slam the gate until everything is in good working order. Open the tailgate again to check to see if any daylight is in the front rail area, and if needed, any additional layers of weather strip to fill any of the gaps. Likewise, it's normal to have small gaps between the tailgate and the cover. You can simply add weather strips to fill those. Once you're happy with the result, release the latches and park the handles back into the slot on the bottom of the cover and fold back the cover. Use the buckle to stabilize the cover. Before we finish, let's address a frequently asked question on how to care for your cover. Yes, this cover is safe to drive through a touchless car wash. Also, just soap and water is the only items that you'll need to clean the surface. Avoid any abrasion chemicals and you'll be able to enjoy your tonneau cover for years to come.